What's up everybody? Basic body repair guy here. You might be wondering why I named myself Basic Body Repair Guy. Well, because I have the basic tools. I don't have the fancy gadgets like most people. I still use a regular screw dent puller. I got a little hook dent puller. Got my trusty pick hammer. She's been through some stuff. Got my little dolly. Been in the family many years. Got a couple sanding blocks. Got my drill so I could screw into the metal, and I use a drywall screw. Works great. Don't knock it till you try it. If anybody ever used a drill bit, you know they break so easy. I use one of them for a month at a time. Works great. You know, this angle grinder, grinding disc. Trusty DA. Gotta have one of these. And a cheese grater. Makes Bondo work a lot faster, especially on big jobs like the one I'm about to start. But that's about it. Nothing too complicated. And pretty basic.